In this Wix website builder tutorial, let's take a look at how to add your business description. And we need to get to our dashboard, so just find your site that you want to edit the business description on and get to the dashboard. And then from there, we're going to go to settings. Inside of settings, we have business info. Business info has an area for a short description here in the lower right, up to 150 characters. So it's basically like describing your site or your business in a sentence or two. And that's going to help visitors coming from search results better understand what you do. So you describe your business here, like I make short video tutorials on YouTube, right? And so once I have that written in here, this business description will show up in any place that the description of your business is fed into, in different apps that pull in your business name or your business description that you're utilizing on your site, even like an about business info page that isn't custom, but maybe has like a little widget or something plugged in, it would pull that in. So we can click save up here, and that saves our business description. That's how you can add a business description here on Wix.